The financial widget lets you look at all of the numbers, the financial numbers for a specific stock. So you would click on the financials here, and it has two main views. So one is a quick visual cue on the entire health of the company. So the earnings and cost of goods sold, income statement, balance sheet, equity, liability, ROE, free cash flow, and free cash flow growth. You can switch those visuals to quarterly if you want, or yearly. So this is the yearly view and the quarterly one, and that's it. So you get a very quick visual cue. You can also look at these arrows, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and see both quarterly and yearly if it's going higher up or down, or very quick visually, I can see that cash flow over on a yearly basis is down. But it can also drill down to all the actual numbers, the financial numbers. So revenues, year-on-year growth, cost of goods sold, and so on. Balance sheet, cash flow summary, and free cash flow. You can go back in quarterly or yearly. You can go back 5 years, and you know, again, for you guys who want to really dive into the details or the numbers, you can here. You can also go to the profile, look at the filing, and then look at the thank you. Eventually here, the thank you, click on the document, and then go to the Edgar, get to the thank you, and actually look at the filing, right? So that is also possible, drilling down to the actual level. So this is very useful and a complement to the other widgets. Very quickly having a view of the stock or the balance sheet and a widget. So fairly simple. Let us know if you have questions, and you can reach us at support@EPSmomentum.com. And thank you very much for your attention.